Which one of these features is common to both the Indian Federation and the American Federation? Option D. A federal Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution. Which one of the following rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Option D. Right to constitutional remedies. Father of local self-government in India is option C. Lord Ripon. The qualification for the chairman and other members of the Finance Commission. Option D. Are determined by the Parliament. The objective of audit is to examine and monitor the expenditure made by option D. All of the above. India has adopted directive principles of state policy from option A. British Constitution. The term of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is option C. 6 years of 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Who acted as the chairman of drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Option A. B.R. Ambedkar. The Chief Election Commissioner of India hold office for a period of option C. For 6 years or till the age of 65 years. The Minister of individually responsible to option A. The President. Under whose presidency was the Lahore session of the Indian National Congress held in 1929, wherein a resolution for complete independence from the British was adopted? Option C. Jawaharlal Nehru. The zonal councils have been established by option C. States Reorganization Act. The Constitution of India does not mention the past of option B. The Deputy Prime Minister. The amendment procedure laid down in Indian Constitution is on the pattern of option A. Constitution of Canada. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India makes a specific mention of village panchayats? Option B. Article 40. Which of the following is not in the state list under the Constitution of India? Option A. Insurance. Under which of these articles chairman and members of UPSC can be removed from the past? Option B. Article 317. Which of these states has the maximum numbers of members of legislative assemblies MLS? Option B. Uttar Pradesh. Which one of the following fundamental rights is also available to a foreigner on Indian soil? Option C. Protection of life and personal liberty according to procedure established by law. Recently, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh government signed a memorandum of understanding for the linking of two rivers as a link project. Option B. Bedwa and Ken. How many times has financial emergency been declared in India so far? Option D. Never. The Chief Minister of a state is responsible to option A. Governor. Which among the following is the executive jurisdiction of the state government? Option C. Sales tax. The union territories are administrative by the president through administrators appointed by him. When the vice president acts as a president, he gets the emolument of the A. President. Who said preamble is the keynote to the constitution? Option A. Ernest Barker. Who among the following is responsible for the final compilation of the accounts of the union government? Option B. Controller General of Accounts. The entry public health and sanitation is included in the Constitution of India in option B. State list. Which of the following committee recommended for this according a constitutional position of the Panchayat Raj? Option D. L.M. Singhvi Committee. What is the intermediate tier of the Panchayati Raj system called? ऑप्शन सी पंचायत समिति।